Nice. That's good. That's good. Okay, we can create here one face of uh, Mona father. Okay, so make first circle. Okay, yeah. Akhilesh, first draw circle, beta. First make circle. Okay, yeah. Yeah, Ayan, what you say, beta? Okay. Okay, beta, no problem. No problem. First make circle. Okay. After the circle, you just create here. Okay. After the circle, first draw the circle here. And circle should be circle, it's not other shape. Okay, not oval. Make it a circle first, like this. Okay, so create a circle. Okay, draw circle, beta, please. Nicely. After the circle, you can create line here. Tell me, beta. Sure, sure, no problem, no problem, beta. Thank you. Okay. Happy Teachers Day, yeah. Happy Teachers Day, beta. Yes, yes, I forgot the Teachers Day. Yes. Tomorrow only, yeah. It is, tomorrow is, yeah, we are advance. Okay, so thank you so much, beta. Tomorrow, okay, okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, so first draw the circle. Okay, done that circle. I done. Can I? Okay. Yes, tell me, beta. Yeah, tomorrow is who is this at it? No, is class there, but some lots of students take only 1 day classes. Okay, so that is why today only they are wishing Happy Teachers Day. Who's taking the 2 days class, Saturday, Sunday both? They are taking the 2 days class. Okay, beta. So today's class. So see first draw the circle and then I draw over here the ear. Okay, and I create here after that. Okay, this is the eyes line. Okay, so you can create the eyes line over here. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is nose, this eyes line, so I can create eyes over here like this. Okay, okay, I wait. Yeah, it's absolutely perfect. It's very nice. We are going to little bit of color of this. Okay, like I I the brown color only. This is a tribal character, so I just make it little brown. Okay, if you are yes, beta, I see you drawing. Yeah, yeah, nice to enjoy. Fantastic joy. Yeah. Yes, enjoy this good. Okay, we are making this. Okay, just create color like this. Okay. Yes, we can go ahead to the next drawing now. The color. Okay. Okay.
So you use the paint or
Yeah, I just one color I use, one brown color, not full details. It is some, it's called the pre-production drawing for the MOANA. These books I show you what drawing. This is a pre-production books of MOANA. How to create the design concept of that movie MOANA. That is I show you here. Okay. This is very easy way. This Mona character also little darker tone because this character, okay, it is for the their staying is very nearby the sea beach, so that's why the dark color tone in the skin. So we can create like this type of color tone. Okay, sketchy and the hairstyle also black for this. Well, if you are watching this movie, the Mona, this is very awesome movie. Srijani, you watched this movie, Srijani?
yes sir I watch it.
It's a nice movie, right? I love it.
Yeah sir. I
E-
really like that.
Okay, I like that movie. It's really awesome. I like. I just use here very least watercolor techniques. Okay, just little touch I put somewhere here and there, not much. Okay, this is few area is dark tone, so you can make it the dark tone. That's it. आराम से English understood बेटा?
Yes sir I understood sir.
Okay.
But I not understood the girl.
Girl, no? Okay, no problem. You are late. No problem. Wow, okay, Shatrika. Very nice. Yeah. We go ahead to the